Introducing you to the vECU-powered SIL Testbench for Autoware. The software testing world is going through a big change. We're moving beyond traditional methods and embracing smarter, more innovative ways to test. The game changer in this is Virtual ECUs. These have completely transformed how we test, making software in the loop not just possible, but powerful. This kind of flexibility is a huge win. It speeds up development, boosts testing quality, and gives us tools like advanced fault injection and detailed diagnostics. All without waiting on hardware. With vECUs, engineers can test interfaces independently of physical hardware. That means they can make changes on the fly, adapt in real time, and keep improving the software right in the development loop. Because your ECU is now software, it seamlessly plugs into your existing simulation stack, sensor models, plant models, traffic simulators, environment simulators, and more. Which means, you're not just simulating the software anymore, you're simulating the entire vehicle-level scenario, end-to-end. Let us walk you through a cloud-enabled, vECU-driven framework to validate autonomous driving software, testing typical AD scenarios in a simulated, scalable environment. To begin, navigate to your AWS dashboard. Go under Instances. Search and choose the Virtual ECU Testbench instance, then instantiate it. It's fast, secure, and accessible from anywhere. Once the instance is running, connect to it securely. This takes you directly to the Autoware Testbench interface, ready for setup. From here, the process begins by selecting the appropriate virtual ECU and simulator setup. In this case, we choose the one that has Autoware and Carla set up. Next, we move on to configuring the sensor suite for the EGO vehicle. This includes essential perception and localization sensors, LiDAR, cameras, GNSS, and IMU, each positioned relative to the vehicle's center point. We also define their rotational alignment, pitch, yaw, and roll, along with other necessary parameters to ensure accurate orientation and realistic simulation behavior. Next, we select the scenario to simulate. We are choosing a LKS cut-in scenario. Once a scenario is selected, we initiate the entire vECU-based simulation setup for Autoware stack by clicking Run Scenario. As we can see, the Autoware stack along with the Carla simulator begins to run on the virtual ECU setup. The vehicle switches to autonomous mode and successfully handles a cut-in scenario where another car abruptly enters its lane and stops at a signal. As you can see, you can integrate sensor models, the Autoware stack, and the Carla simulator to create a complete L1 virtual ECU setup for scalable cloud simulation.